Martial art has a very, very deep meaning as far as my life is concerned.
In 1973, Bruce Lee began production on his final motion picture.
As an actor, as a human being, all these I have learned from martial art.
So far, only 11 minutes have been seen. The rest had been locked away or lost until now. Award-winning filmmaker John Little invites you to enter the soul of a warrior, to see for the first time Bruce Lee's incredible vision of his unfinished classic. From the life on the streets that made him a fighter, to the discipline and rebelliousness
I do not believe in styles
that made him a champion, and the quest for self-knowledge that made him a master. From his own words,
martial art means honestly expressing yourself.
Discover what made him the legend. The never-before-seen original 41 minutes of Game of Death revealed, alongside the startling story of the man who brought it to life. Bruce Lee, A Warrior's Journey. You know the legend, now know the man. Look for it on DVD and video cassette.
Empty your mind. Be formless like water. Be water, my friend.